Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the previous year exam dictation of HSSC stenographer exam. Start. Regarding in para 4, I am to clarify that the analogy of criminal cases is not applicable to departmental enquiries. Full stop. The structure of the criminal law rests on the right of every citizen to enjoy individual liberty, and it follows from this that is the event of a case not being proved, the accused must be immediately set at liberty, full stop. The principle on which the concept of departmental enquiries rests is not this, full stop. It is simply the right of the public to have reliable reasons in public service, full stop. In departmental cases, therefore, it is necessary for the punishing authority to ensure justice not only to the charge hyphen sheeted government servant but also to the public, who have a right to see that no officer continues in service in respect of whose reliability there is serious doubt, full stop. It follows from this that all doubtful cases in which the degree of doubt is substantial should result in some penalty being inflicted on the government servant concerned, full stop. The assumption that has prevailed that the only option with government or other punishing authorities in all doubtful cases is, full stop, to reinstate the officer being proceeded against is incorrect, and the principle that the benefit of doubt must always go to the charge sheeted government servant does not hold good in the same manner in departmental inquiries as it does in criminal trials, full stop. Government desire that in future there should be no misunderstanding on this point, full stop. सो ये डिक्टेशन हमारी HSSC की प्रीवियस ईयर एग्जाम में आई थी. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस फॉर HSSC स्टेनोग्राफर अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स. थैंक्स टू ऑल. बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर.